Hello guys, have ever saw a thunderbolt with naked eye or a volcano eruption and rainbow both together? Or maybe a guy fighting with sand dust for his life? So L here is compilation video with moments which are unbelievable if they weren't recorded on camera. So let's start our video.
A massive tsunami, one of the strongest in Greenland's history, caught the fishermen by surprise, forcing them to quickly pack up. This guy's wife was filming him as he was getting ready to launch his paraglider, when suddenly a gust of wind lifted him off the ground. Fortunately, he wasn't hurt and was even able to continue his flight.
Is he okay?
You okay?
Ay, boy lalo.
Mau tayo.
Lu mangan wani bila dulu yang au sana ada wana.
Boram lah.
Boy.
Just imagine the power of the eruption if ash fell on a village so far from the volcano. People in India captured footage of a massive landslide that blocked the road for an entire day. Hawaii is a place where nature can be both breathtaking and intimidating at the same time.
Oh my God! Woo!
The car over there, our car.
Okay, it's okay.
Look at the car, it's been smashed against the side.
It's okay.
Please, can we go?
It's okay.
Please, can we go?
Relax. I need you to relax. Смотри, две фуры.
Да.
Сфоткал?
Не. Я испугался.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the USGS crew up there.
Listen to the sounds a small lake in Montana makes.
It's usually dead quiet.
Due to temperature changes, the ice constantly expands, contracts, and cracks, causing sound waves to travel through it unevenly. This leads to a phenomenon called acoustic dispersion.
It's one of the craziest things I've ever experienced. I've heard it, just not like this.
A driver from Arizona found himself in an unexpected chase, not with the police, but with a real dust devil.
It's actually moving toward me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Come on. It's coming toward me. The heck? Oh, snap. It's literally following me. That's where I was parked at. Wow. Coming this way. Nee joh! Nee joh! Wegwezen! Echt niet! Kijk nou! Holy fuck! Nee joh! Nee, dat meen je niet! Holy fuck! Dat is niet normaal dit! Hè? Het verdwijnt helemaal, maar hij draait rondjes. Hij moet gas geven? Moet je zien die golven? Hou je vast wel.
¿Has grabado, Marina?
The Gobi Desert is renowned not just for its immense size, but also for these singing dunes. The winds continually blow the sand around, and as a layer of shale shifts, it creates this fascinating sound.
Tu się zbliża do nas coraz bardziej, mamuś. Spokojnie. Będzie za górkę.
Fortunately for the operator and other observers, water spouts usually dissipate by the time they reach land and rarely move far inland.
It's gonna tip over. I'm recording it. Stand up in front of there, Selena. Right. This is too cool. Zoom won't come back in. Oh, man.
These clouds, known as lenticular clouds, appear only when there's high humidity and strong horizontal airflow. They may seem still from afar, but they're actually always in motion.
Can't even see the flags anymore.
In Iraq, sandstorms occur quite frequently, and every time they do, the cities end up looking like they're from another planet.
That is a Texas flag. And that flag is about 100 feet away. Oh well, nice day.
These tourists were incredibly lucky, as the approaching avalanche suddenly veered off course and passed just beside their camp.
Блин, на сковородке народ! Ай-яй-яй! Блин, мимо бы прошла. Короче, и там еще народ. Сейчас пулевая лавина до нас сюда идет. Ёлки-палки.
Video this.
Yeah.
This is...
Mammatus clouds are uncommon and usually appear only in tropical latitudes. The operator was fortunate to see them up close.
What's the whole lot's gonna go? Oh, is it moving out? It's moving. It is moving. It's gonna go. Hang on. It's going. It's going. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Jeez! Jeez!
In 2018, the Kilauea volcano made headlines worldwide due to an eruption that was the largest in centuries.
Wow. This is fucking amazing.
Little dippers down in the...
Wow, look at that. Grace as well.
As we watched the spectacle unfold, to our amazement, there was a beaver riding one of the icebergs. It was just surfing right on the front of the wave, and apparently doing just fine as it went around the corner and out of view.
Surfing the flow. Yeah.
For fishermen, these events can be really dangerous. More than one person has unfortunately lost their lives due to one of these ice dam breaks on the Roaring Fork River. Be careful out there.
The wind's power sends the waterfall's flow soaring upward, making it look as though the laws of physics are being broken. At the end of each year, an incredible phenomenon occurs on Christmas Island. Over 100 million crabs migrate towards the ocean, a journey that takes them an average of 18 days. Even the most skilled artists can't compete with nature in terms of creating beauty. According to witnesses, Pisa was thrown into chaos that day. The water spout was just a small part of the havoc that nature unleashed on this Italian city. To ward off threats and warn their fellow bees, honeybees employ this unique tactic. The more imminent and noticeable the danger, the stronger and more frequent these waves are. At first, it seems like a nest, but upon closer inspection, you'll see it's actually a cluster of harvestmen. Their legs can sometimes be as much as 20 times longer than their bodies.
Wow.
The Squirrel King is a peculiar and rare event where several squirrels become entangled by their tails and can't free themselves. This usually happens because of resin, fur, or nesting refuse. This unusual tree is located in Olympic National Park in Washington. Locals have nicknamed it the Tree of Life because it has managed to survive without its roots ever touching the ground. By all biological laws, this tree should have perished years ago, but instead, it stands as a living testament to the strength of perseverance. The tide has turned this mix of sand and ice into a unique sculpture.
Oh my god, that's amazing. This is pouring. Yeah, it's so bright. You can feel the heat.
Incredible footage from Hawaii. Lava, with a temperature of about 1100 degrees Celsius, flows into the ocean, creating a massive steam plume rising into the air.
Feel that heat.
It seems the ice flow ruthlessly swept away everything in its path, including the trees. Scientists have concluded that these ice disks form due to swirling currents that cause the ice to spin and take on a perfect round shape.
Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.